Greetings dear learners, this is Faculty of Social Studies of Class 10th of SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur, Rajasthan. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is agriculture, and this is the part 1 of the video. I am going to give you an introduction regarding this topic. So agriculture is the main occupation of man. Human hunger is met by agricultural activity. The climate of Maharashtra is of monsoon type. It rains in a particular period, and remaining period of the year, which is dry, limits agricultural activities. First is Kharif season. The crops which are sown in the month of June, July and harvested in the month of October, November are known as Kharif crops. Rice, bajra, pulses, jowar are cultivated in this season. Then we have Rabi crops. The crops which are sown in the month of October, November and harvested in the month of February, March are known as Rabi crops. For example, jowar, wheat, gram are Rabi crops. In this we are going to discuss some major points of agriculture, which are types of agriculture, intensive agriculture, irrigated agriculture, horticulture, major crops, jowar, wheat, rice, bajra, cotton, sugarcane, mango, grapes, banana and orange. And learning outcomes will be, after learning this lesson you can understand the following things: importance of agriculture, main types of agriculture in Maharashtra, crops and their distribution in Maharashtra, main fruits and their distribution in Maharashtra. By observing maps, you will get information of distribution of produce. Types of agriculture. First, we are going to discuss intensive agriculture. There are different types of agriculture. They are classified on the basis of seasons, agricultural methods, and the objective of the farmer and type of produce. Intensive agriculture, irrigated agriculture, horticulture are the major types of agriculture. First, we are going to start with intensive agriculture. When farmers practice agriculture on his small land holding with intensive care of the crop and tries to take maximum production, is known as intensive agriculture. Due to high population, man to land ratio is very small. Generally, farmer practices food grain crops to meet the family requirement. It is an intense need to take care of the crop. The per capita production is low due to high pressure of population. Generally, food grains are cultivated, but vegetables are also grown. Intensive agriculture is practiced in all districts of Maharashtra. Then we are going to discuss irrigated agriculture. When water is less due to low rainfall and it is not sufficient for the crop, artificial water supply is used for agriculture. This is known as irrigated agriculture. Wells, canals, tanks, tubes, wells are the sources of irrigation. In Maharashtra, well irrigation is the main source of irrigation. It is an independent source for individual farmer. They use this source for the crop when required. When water is available for irrigation, farmers can use fertilizers for a better and assured yield from the crops. In western Maharashtra, dams are constructed across the rivers and water is used to irrigate the land through canals. In central Maharashtra and Konkan irrigation projects are limited, and accordingly irrigated areas are also limited. Dams are constructed on Godavari, Krishna, Bhima, Panchganga rivers in Maharashtra. Sugarcane, vegetables and various food crops are cultivated under irrigated agriculture. Tank irrigation. Water from the tank is used for irrigation. In Bhandara, Chandrapur, Gadchiroli districts, water is used for rice cultivation. Lift irrigation. When water from the canals is used only at lower level of dams, but land above the water level is irrigated only by lifting of the water. Water by pump, which is known as lift irrigation. This method of irrigation is costlier than the canal irrigation. Then we are going to discuss horticulture. The cultivation of fruits is known as horticulture. Climate of Maharashtra is suitable for mangoes, oranges, jackfruits, cashew nuts, bananas, chikus, figs and pomegranates, etc. Mango orchards are found in Konkan. Amount of rainfall in central Maharashtra is low. This type of climate is suitable to grow grapes, figs, pomegranates, orange, lime, berry, etc. There are specialized districts for particular fruits like bananas of Jalgaon, grapes of Nasik. Ratnagiri is famous for Alfonso mangoes, Thane is famous for chikus and Nagpur is famous for orange orchards. We are going to discuss now cash crops. First, cotton. These crops are cultivated only for commercial purpose. Produce from these crops is sold in the market and farmers get cash from these crops. Sugarcane, cotton, tobacco are cash crops. Fruits, vegetables, flowers also help in increasing the income of the farmers. Now we are going to discuss some main crops of Maharashtra. Maximum land in Maharashtra is used for food grain crops, followed by cash crops. Rice, bajra, jowar, wheat are the main food grain crops. Sugarcane and cotton are the main cash crops. Now let's discuss jowar. Jowar is one of the main food grain crops in Maharashtra. In sowing period, jowar requires high temperature and moderate rainfall. Deep soils are best because these soils retain moisture from subsoil. In growing period, jowar is an important crop for the farmers because the food grains and fodder for animals is obtained from the crop. Solapur district is leading in the production of jowar in Maharashtra. It is followed by Ahmednagar, Bir, Jalgaon, Aurangabad, Pune and Nanded districts, etc. Irrigated areas in Maharashtra are increasing, which affects the areas of jowar production. The land formerly used for jowar is now being used for commercial crops. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Please do like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.